Hello and welcome to this lesson. We are going to learn about subject pronouns and the verb to be. Repeat the subject pronouns with me. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Subject pronouns help us avoid repetition. They help us avoid saying the same name or the same noun over and over. We use the pronoun I for the person talking. In my case, I am the person talking, so I will use I to talk about myself. I will use you for the person I am talking to, and he is for a male noun. For example, when I say, John is from Colombia, and then in the next sentence I say, John is 20 years old. As you can see, I said the name John twice. To avoid repeating the name John, I will use the pronoun he. Then we have John is from Colombia. He is 20 years old. The pronoun he then helped me avoid saying the name John twice. We use the pronoun she for female nouns. We use it for objects or things. We use the pronoun we to talk about a group we belong to. When I'm talking about a group that I am part of, I will use the pronoun we. Then we'll have you again. I will talk about the difference between you singular and you plural. And then finally we have the pronoun they. We use the pronoun they to talk about a group. It can be a group of people, it can be a group of things, it can also be a group of animals. And here in the middle, we have the different forms of the verb to be in present tense. We use for the pronoun I. And then are is used for you singular, we, you plural, and they. So let's practice saying this together. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, you are, and they are. Is used for the pronouns he, she, and it. Let's go over some examples here. For I, we have I am a mechanic. You are a doctor. He is my cousin. She is from Benin. It is a notebook. We are in the library. You are students. They are healthy. Now let's talk about the difference between the you singular and the you plural. In this sentence, you are a doctor. The noun doctor is singular. What that means is there's no S at the end. And we use the indefinite article a. Down here, for the you plural, we have S at the end of the noun student. This is how you see the difference between the you singular and the you plural. The context will tell you, and the noun at the end will also show you which one is used. On the next slide, we will do our first activity with this lesson. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of to be. In this activity, you are asked to complete each sentence with the correct form of the verb to be that goes with the subject pronoun. Here we have I from England. Which form of the verb to be would you put here in the middle to complete the sentence? She, my aunt. Which form of the verb to be would you put here for the pronoun she? Next, they in the library. Which form of the verb to be would you put here for the pronoun they? Next one, you a good student. Which form of the verb to be would you use for the pronoun you? And then finally, he from Somalia. Which form of the verb to be would you use for the pronoun he? I am going to count down from 5, and what I would like you to do is to pause the video and complete this activity in your notebook. And then on the next slide, you will see the answer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go ahead and pause the video and complete the activity in your notebook. And then come back and play the video again to see the answer on the next slide. All right. Here is the answer to the activity you just did. For the first one, the answer is I am from England. Read the sentence with me. I am from England. For number 2, she is my aunt. Number 3, they are in the library. Next one, you are a good student. And then finally, he is from Somalia. How did you do? It's totally fine if you made any mistake. Remember, keep practicing and you will get better. I will see you in the next video.